Hello everyone, welcome to the IS IPS Factory. First of all, a very happy new year to all of you. तो हम कवर कर रहे हैं इंग्लिश वोकेबलरी फ्रॉम ब्लैक बुक। ये हमारा इडियम्स और फ्रेजेस का वीडियो नंबर 9 है। इससे पहले हम 8 वीडियोस कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं, तो आज है हमारा डेली डोज 9 और साथ ही हम OWS और सिनोनिम एंटोनिम्स भी कवर कर रहे हैं। तो चलिए इडियम फ्रेजेस शुरू करते हैं। 800 तक हम लास्ट वीडियो में कंप्लीट कर चुके हैं। Now from 801, hit a dead end, reach a situation that leads to nothing further. ऐसी स्थिति पर पहुंचना जिससे आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते हैं। Hit the books, बहुत मेहनत से पढ़ाई करना, to study very hard. Hit the ceiling, roof, आग बबूला होना, explode in anger. Hit the jackpot, किस्मत का तारा चमकना, to make money quickly, to find exactly what was out. अचानक धन प्राप्त करना है, जीतना। Hit the nail on the head, सटीक जवाब देना, बिल्कुल सही होना से, और do something exactly right to find exactly the right answer. Next is Hobson's choice, कोई विकल्प नहीं, no real choice at all, and apparently free choice where there is no real alternative. Next is hocus pocus, धोखा देने के लिए की गई बात, meaningless talk or activity typically designed to trick someone. Next is hold good, मान्य या प्रासंगिक बना रहना, remain valid. Next is hold on, रुकना, to wait for a short time. Next is hold one's tongue, जवान पर लगाम लगाना, be silent, to keep quiet. Next is hold out, डटे रहना कठिन स्थिति में, to endure a difficult situation. Next is hold out an olive branch, शांति का प्रस्ताव, do something to show that you want to end a disagreement with them. Next is hold the fort, देखभाल करना, to take responsibility for a situation temporarily. Next is hold the key, किसी चीज पर नियंत्रण रखना, to have control of something. Hold up one's head, गर्व होना, be proud. Hold water, स्वीकार्य, seem acceptable, appear to be valid or reasonable. Hold your horses, धैर्य रखना, be patient, slow down, to restrain oneself. Hope against hope, असंभव आशा, nurture an impossible hope. Next is horse around, हुड़दंग मचाना, to behave in a silly or noisy way. Next is horse sense, मूलभूत व्यावहारिक ज्ञान, basic common sense. Next is horses for courses, अलग काम के लिए अलग विशेषज्ञ, different people are suited for different jobs. Next is how time flies, समय तेजी से निकलता है, time passes quickly. Next is hue and cry, कोलाहल, a noisy expression of anger, protest or loud clamor. Next is husband and resources, व्यर्थ नहीं करना, save. I can't think straight, तर्कसंगत रूप से नहीं सोच पाना, cannot think rationally due to being overwhelmed with emotion. Next is I don't buy it, विश्वास के योग्य नहीं होना, I am not convinced. Next is I have my hands full, बहुत व्यस्त होना, to be very busy with many responsibilities. Next is icing on the cake, सोने पर सुहागा, अतिरिक्त लाभ, something that makes a good situation even better. Next is if it's not one thing, it's another, एक के बाद एक सब चीज गलत होने लगना, when one thing goes wrong, then another and another. Ignorance is bliss, अज्ञानता परमानंद है, कुछ पता नहीं होना कभी कभी अच्छा होता है, to remain ignorant of things that may cause stress. Ill at ease, असहज होना, to feel uncomfortable or worried in situation. In the light of, ध्यान में रखते हुए, considering or taking into account. In a flutter, हड़बड़ाहट में, in a nervous state. In a fog, भ्रम में रहना, confused and dazed. In a jiffy, पलक झपकाते, something that is done very quickly, suddenly. In a nutshell, संक्षेप में और सटीक रूप से, briefly and concisely. In a short clear way, to describe in few words. In a pickle, कठिन परिस्थिति में, experiencing a difficult situation, in trouble. In a tight, कठिन परिस्थिति में, in a difficult situation. Next is इन एप्पल पाई ऑर्डर, सही क्रम में, इन अ परफेक्ट ऑर्डर और अरेंज्ड neatly. Next is in bad taste, अपमानजनक, not suitable or offensive. Next is in black and white, लिखित रूप में, in written, written down or in chats with, साझेदारी में, in an alliance or partnership with, in cold blood, निर्दया निर्दयतापूर्वक, angrily, cruelly, without any emotions, deliberately, in deep water, बड़ी मुश्किल में, in great difficulty, in ड्राइव स्टेट्स, बहुत बुरी या कठिन परिस्थिति में, in very bad or difficult situation, in डच, मुसीबत में, in trouble, in full swing, पूरे जोरों शोरों से, very active, at the height of activity, in harmony with, समझौते में, in agreement with, in harness, कार्यालय में, in ऑफिस, in high और गुड स्पिरिट्स, उत्साह से भरपूर, full of hope and enthusiasm, joyful, cheerful and irritated. Next is in lieu of, बदले में, in place of, in line with, सहमति में, in agreement, in queer street, तंग हालत में, in debt, in raptures, अतिक उत्साह, extremely delighted, in seven heaven, बेहद खुश, extremely happy और in delight. Next is in the air, विचाराधीन, when an emotion or idea is on one's mind or under consideration or still to be settled. Next is in accident, शक्ति में वृद्धि, rising in power or influence. Next is in the blink of an eye, पलक झपकते ही या फिर तुरंत होना. In the blues, within a very short period of time. In the blues, उदास, cheerless and depressed, low spirited. In the dark, अज्ञानता में, in ignorance or to not know something others are aware of. Next is in the doldrums, उदास या निराश अवस्था में, in low spirit and despair. Next is in the driver's seat, स्थिति के नियंत्रण में होना, in charge or in control of a situation. Next is in the egg, प्रारंभिक चरण में, in an early stage. Next is in the eye of a storm, मुसीबत के बीच होना, be in the middle of a difficult storm. Next is in the fast lane, उत्साह और उत्तेजना से भरा जीवन, a life filled with great excitement. Next is in the flesh, in the bodily form, व्यक्तिगत रूप से उपस्थित. Next is in the good books, पक्ष में होना, in favor with. Next is in the heat of the moment, क्रोध के कारण बिना सोचे समझे कुछ कह देना या करना, saying or doing something without thinking due to anger, overwhelmed by what is happening in the moment. In the limelight, सुर्खियों में होना, the center of attraction. Next is in the long run, आखिरकार, eventually after a long period of time, ultimately in the end. Next is in the loop, नियमित रूप से सूचित करना, inform regularly, in the nick of time, सही समय पर, just in time, at the last possible moment. Next is in the offing, शीघ्र होने वाला, appear soon. Next is in the pink, अच्छे स्वास्थ्य में, in good health. Next is in the running, प्रतियोगिता में भाग लेना, contesting the seat. Next is in the same boat, एक जैसी कठिन परिस्थिति में होना, in the same unpleasant or difficult situation. Next is in the same breath, एक ही समय में दो परस्पर विरोधी बातें, say two contradictory things at the same time. Next is in the soup, मुसीबत में होना, to be in a trouble. Next is in the swim, अच्छी तरह से सूचित होना, well informed and up to date. Next is in the teeth of, प्रत्यक्ष विरोध में होना, in spite of something directly against. Next in wake, प्रचलन में, popular and in fashion. Next is in your birthday suit, बिना कपड़े पहने, not wearing any clothes. Next is ins and outs, पूरा विवरण, secret, the detail or complicated facts of something, full details. Next is iron first, sakti से something which is strictly. Next is in goes without saying, jahir baat, something which is implied to be obvious. Next one, it takes two to tango. एक हाथ से ताली नहीं बजती किसी गतिविधि के लिए दोनों पक्ष जिम्मेदार हैं. A conflict where both people are at fault. Most bad actions, misdeeds require participation from two people. Next is in a small word. संयोग से परिचित लोगों से मिलना. Frequently see the same people in the different place. It's all in your head. दिमाग की उपज केवल कल्पनाओं में मौजूद. Only your imagination. It's Greek to me. समझ से बाहर. Incomprehensible. I cannot understand anything. It's not rocket science. साधारण काम. Used to say that you do not think that something is very difficult to do or to understand. Next is it's raining cats and dogs. मूसलाधार बारिश होना. Raining extremely heavy, a very heavy downpour. Next is ivory towers. एकांत या वास्तविक समस्याओं से दूर. Detachment and seclusion, imaginary word to have no knowledge or experience of the practical problems or everyday life. Next is John decide eye, पक्षपाती नजर, a prejudiced view. Next is jog someone's memory, यादें ताज़ा करना, to cause someone to remember something. Next is Judas kiss, विश्वासघात करने वाला कार्य. Deceitful pretense of friendship. Next is jump the gun, जल्दबाजी करना. Start something too soon or act hastily. Said it before it was the right time. Next is jumping down my throat, फटकारना या फिर scolding. Next is kangaroo court, अवैध या अनुचित कार्यवाही. False court that doesn't follow the legal standard. Next is keep a civil tongue, विनम्रता से बोलना, speak with great politeness. Next is keep a low profile, छिप कर रहना, to avoid attracting attention to yourself. तो इस तरह हो गए हैं हमारे 900 idioms phrases complete. तो एक बार फिर आप सभी को very 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 happy new year. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.